In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex on MetaTrader 4. By the end, you'll know how to log in, pick a currency pair, place a market order with risk controls, monitor it, and close it confidently. First, open MetaTrader 4. If it's your first time, you'll see a prompt to connect to your trading account. Log in using the credentials provided by your broker and make sure you select the correct server they specify. Getting the server right is essential because the platform won't connect if it's mismatched. Once connected, you'll see price quotes updating live. Next, choose a currency pair to trade. Look to the left panel called Market Watch. If you don't see it, you can enable it from the View menu. Browse the list, then right-click the pair you want, let's say EUR/USD, and select Chart Window. This opens a chart so you can see how price is moving. Take a moment to read the chart and decide on your direction and risk before placing any trade. When you're ready to place an order, open the order window. You can press F9 on your keyboard or click New Order on the top toolbar. The order window lets you set all the essentials in one place. Make sure the symbol matches the pair you want to trade. Set up the trade details carefully. Volume is your lot size. Larger lots mean bigger exposure and larger swings in profit or loss. If you're practicing, keep it small. Add a stop loss to define your maximum risk. This is the price where the platform will automatically close the trade if it moves against you. Then set a take profit, which is your target level where the trade will close in profit. These two levels help you plan the trade before you enter, which is a key habit in risk management. Now execute the trade. Click Buy by Market if you believe the price will go up, or Sell by Market if you believe it will go down. That places a market order instantly at the best available price. To monitor the trade, open the terminal at the bottom of the platform and go to the Trade tab. Here you'll see your open position, current profit or loss, and your stop loss and take profit levels. Watch how the numbers update in real time as the market moves. When it's time to exit, right-click the position in the Trade tab and choose Close Order. A confirmation window appears. Click the yellow Close button to finalize it. That's it. You've opened, managed, and closed a trade in MetaTrader 4. Remember, practice on a demo account first, manage your risk, and keep refining your process.